मतलब जीवन जो इतना सुंदर है, उसमें सब सहज है। तो मैं बस सहज नहीं हूं, बाकी साला सब सहज है। फूल सहज खिल रहा है, सहज में सितारे आ जाते हैं, सहज बह रही है नदी। कोई साधना कर रही है क्या यार? साधना दिख रही है नदी में कहीं? यानी मैं बस सहज नहीं हूं। मैं वही बता रहा हूं कि आप भी सहज हो, सहज से भी सहज हो, बगैर साधना के आप हो। बताओ ये पॉइंट सारे, फिर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं।
So he's saying that everything in existence is spontaneous, right? Everything, like a flower blooming, is spontaneous. It's a spontaneous act. It's a happening. The river flows spontaneously. There is no need for it to do any sadhana to do what it's doing. He says everything in the universe is happening spontaneously. So he says it's strange that we think that in order for us to be, we need to do something in order to exist. So that is the most spontaneous thing.
अब बगैर साधना के भी आप हो, यही तो निष्ठा है। बगैर साधना के सोचे समझे भी आप हो, यही तो आत्मनिष्ठा है। जिसको हर कोई तलाश रहा है। और जो आप सहज में हो अभी, बस आप हो ना सहज। बट जो आप सहज हो, बस हो, उस पे तुरंत एक लेबल लगा देते, तुरंत उसको कवर अप कर देते हो धारणाओं से, मान्यताओं से। तो जो बस आप अभी हो, उसके आगे जाओ मत ना, तो निष्ठा हो जाएगी। जो आप सहज में हो, आपका सहज होना वही तो अस्तित्व है। आप कोई दूसरा अस्तित्व खोज रहे हो, कोई दूसरा भगवान खोज रहे हो। आपका सहज होना ही फाइनल है, फाइनल ट्रुथ।
So he's saying that your existence is spontaneous and effortless. Being aware of this, just being aware, is itself faith in your being. And that will take you to the Almighty. That is the Almighty. That is the ultimate. So he said it's not difficult to understand that you spontaneously exist without any effort in this moment. And you just focus in that existence, and that is the ultimate.
अब आप देखो, सबसे अच्छा आपको कब लगता है? कुछ करके लगता है, कुछ सोच के लगता है, कुछ समझ के लगता है, कि बस हो के लगता है? बताओ यार, ये इंग्लिश मेरे को बोलना पड़ेगा अब। हाँ बोलो बोलो।
So Guruji is saying that what gives you maximum pleasure or satisfaction? Is it in doing a particular act, in thinking a particular thought, or just in your own being. So he says, in your own being is where you will get the maximum, the experience of bliss.
तो भाई एग्री है ना मेरी बात पे सब?
जी।
सबसे अच्छा आपको जब होते हो, बस होते हो, तब लगता है, ठीक? तो आपको हमेशा अच्छा लगते रहे। है कि नहीं? आपको हमेशा अच्छा लगते रहे तो कहाँ जीना है आपको? अब जीना मीन्स शब्दों की मजबूरी है, इसको साधना मत समझना, है ना? जहां आप हो वहीं रहना है ना, ठीक? जहां आप हो वहीं रहना है, कहीं और नहीं रहना है। तो अपने होने के हो जाओ, अपने होने के हो जाओ। हाँ हाँ, कंटिन्यू।
Guruji is saying, if you feel good or you feel bliss or happiness at its maximum when you are just being yourself, if you want to feel that forever, then what do? So he says, you stay with yourself.
डू नहीं बोला मैंने।
You stay with yourself.
हाँ,
हाँ।
जहां रहते हो वहीं
जहाँ-
रहो।
हाँ. So you be where you already exist. So you stay with yourself. It's not a doing, it's not a practice. It's just being who you already are. You need to be there.
एक जस्ट सेकेंड। जहां जाना है वहां खड़ा हूं, बताओ।
Your destination is already where you are.
जहां जाना है वहां
खड़ा।
खड़ा हूं।
जी।
जो होना है वो मैं हूं। अब देखो भैया किसको इंग्लिश आती है। यस।
क्या?
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
हाँ.
ऑलरेडी यू आर।
Already you are.
ऑलरेडी यू आर। तो जो ऑलरेडी यू आर है वो क्या है? ऑलरेडी यू आर है। उसी को आप कभी कभी है समझते हो, उसी को आप कभी कभी है समझते हो। इसको एक्सप्लेन करो, जो 2 बार रिपीट किया मैं।
So already you are.
हाँ हाँ।
It is already you are.
तो
And that you are whatever I am, your I entity, your I. You feel that it is sometime, but your I is always there, na? It is always there. You never miss.
देयर इज नो सम टाइम।
Yeah.
यस ना? देखो थोड़ा सीख रहा हूं मैं। बहुत जल्दी इंग्लिश बोलेगा मैं, ठीक है?
January.
डोंट फियर, है ना? तो मोस्ट लवेबल थिंग इज जस्ट यू आर।
Wow.
यस। यानी वहां कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत करना, बोलो इनको।
There should be no compromise in your experiencing yourself as you are. In your being.
Compromise in your being.
और साधना इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज।
No translation required.
है
No translation required.
ऐसा?
नहीं, वही आपने बोल दिया.
अच्छा हाँ, इसको मैं इंग्लिश ही बोल दिया। ओ
are in the same state, but what is missing, which I have noticed, that he knows, you don't know, but you can know. When you will know, you will find you are in the same state what you are asking him, and you will understand basically everyone is in the same state but not knowing. That's all. Now, shall I give some example? You have some ring, okay, but you don't know the value. It may cost $1 million, but you don't know. But you like the ring, you wear the ring every day. One day you need some money, you go to the expert and he tells you he can give you 1 million rupees. Now you know. The thing remains the same. What you are already after sadhana or no sadhana, when you come to know that you are what you are, so the story is finished. Now in between, now in between, you feel that you don't know how to get this. You bring the how and why. So when there is a demand, there is a supply. There is a student and there is a teacher. You got me? When I conduct meditation camp, people come. So I tell them the very essence that here you won't get anything. Why? And I charge more money. And I will not give you anything. Why? Because what you are searching, you are. And there is a book by Raman Rishi, Just Be As You Are. Finish. Just be. And when you start being as you are, slowly, 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 you will become one with it. And all the question will dissolve by itself. All the doubts will dissolve by itself. There is no need to search. But you want to search, so you get Vijay sir or whosoever. My name is whosoever. You don't know that? When there is a demand, when there is a demand, there is supply. Because the demand is false, so supply is going to be false already, isn't it? You agree with me? You are demanding a wrong thing, and I say, okay, I will give you. Then I will charge money. I will put you in the 40 days camp. It is a prison. But you love to be in the prison. पहले दिन ये कह देता हूँ, इतनी सी बात है, और अब समझा देता हूँ। एक बार समझाऊँ आपको? समझाऊँ सर? एक बार समझाऊँ क्या? How do you know that you are? You know you are, isn't it? Is there anybody who can say, you know you are? Everybody is convinced. Nobody comes and tells you that you are. You know that you are, isn't it?
Yes, Master.
Now this you are-ness is all. Become one with this, and the all secret will be revealed by itself sooner or later. Depends on your intensity. This is the only sadhana if you want to do. What is the sadhana? Be as you are. That's all. You become something, question this, that. You love that, you enjoy that. So suffer. That is your suffering then. You are choosing. By which I know I am that. It is my consciousness who asserts I, isn't it? If there is no consciousness, there is no assertion I, there is no feeling that I. Then I gets involved into wrong things. Then he starts searching the master. Then the story begins of what is it. And for that story, he charged nothing. I charge a lot of money. Your Vijay sir, from the day when I am telling him his potential, he is not, he agrees on the conscious mind, but he does not move because he loves this all. Otherwise, immediately he can be awakened. Awakened to awakened to oneself, knowing that I am. When you are one with the I am comes into the picture, and there remains no doubt. Where is the need of sadhana? What is sadhana? That too is needed because you don't trust yourself that you are, and you are into this, into that, into that. So you enjoy, so enjoy. So I am tired of all this. That is why I closed my shop. Simple thing. What you are, you are. There is no need to search, there is no need to reach anywhere. Just be here now. But you don't trust this. Because you don't trust this, you read the what you called website, global what kya? Google. And then you find Vijay sir, this and that, great advertisement, and you run here. You book, isn't it? And he enjoys all this. If I accept what I am saying, this will be, shutter will be down. And this is his business. Just now I am talking about Vijay. The other Vijay is sitting there.
गुरुदेव ये संवाद साधना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए संवादन पर्सनल हो रहा है विजय के बारे में इनके बारे में उनके बारे में ऐसा नहीं होना डिविएशन हो जाता है
You are unauthentic.
नहीं नहीं वो ऐसा नहीं बोल रहे हैं.
Unauthentic. I cannot be. If I have to inject the truth, I have to be truthful first here. And then I must have the courage to say what is what. I directly say. If you don't like, don't come to me. I never come to you. I don't say, become my disciple, I will do this, I will do for you. I give no promise. You are with me since 20 years. Have I given any promise to anyone? No. If you are not ready to, now I am tolerating you since 20 years. Why I am tolerating you? Because I love you. In some way or other, you are searching what you are. And I am telling you, you already are. But you don't trust me. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And slowly, 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 the moment will come, you will laugh at me and at yourself. That it is all a bullshit. I don't use good words. Because good words, you make ornaments. So I use strong words, direct words. Now you have made this all thing a business. You depend on them. He is a great advocate of Mysore, very famous. But he has left that job. He conducts 3-day camp in every month and earns good money. Life is going on. Nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. But if he accepts the truth, he has to stop it.
But truth
Like
is not,
me,
that's
I am
not
stopping.
business.
Huh?
The truth is that is not business.
क्या?
क्या हो रहा है वो
Business नहीं है,
प्रार्थना
कह
हो
रहा
रहा
है.
है।
No,
गुरु की प्रति प्रार्थना
that
हो रहा है।
is the protective mechanism.
ऐसा आप-
That is how you protect. If you don't protect, you cannot move. That is protective mechanism. You have to prove yourself right. That I am right, I am dead, I am dead. Otherwise, you have to stop.
सच नहीं है
हाँ?
पैसा देखा नहीं कुछ,
हाँ।
ओशो का
अब
त्याग
देखा
को
है?
आनंद देखा।
Now this is the protective mechanism. ये देखा, वो देखा, ऐसा है, वैसा है.
आप बैठ दे रहे हैं।
लेकिन जिसको प्रेम है, तुम जैसे भी हो, वो तुम्हारे साथ चलता रहता है, चलता ही रहता है, वो पीछे नहीं हटता. इतनी बकवास करने की इनको क्या जरूरत है इन सब के साथ है? It is coming out of love. When a cloud is filled with the water, it has to shower unconditionally. A master is one who is unconditional. And unconditionally, and I have my way of functioning. That is different.